have the unit on. Y'all know this is my color. So gorgeous. Love it. Love this texture. Y'all know I just recently shared a unit like this, but it was just all black. This one has my favorite, I guess you can call this like a 33. It's like an auburn balayage type vibe that I love. I think it's so pretty. Look at the colors. So pretty. Y'all know the drill. This unit can be worn glueless. This is a 7x5 lace. They had it parted on the side, so I said I'll just go with that. The lace looks really nice. This is the lace on the unit. I think it looks really good. Really easy, simple unit. Perfect for the summertime. Let's just brush it out because y'all know I can't help myself. I love this color on me. Like, I'm crushing on this color. Like, it's just, how cute is it? So let's go ahead and brush it out. Brush it out. I really want to brush it out so y'all can see if it has any type of shedding, and y'all see my brush. So we don't have to worry about any, you have a little bit of shedding, but not much. So we love that. This hair is perfect for the summer. I would say this color is perfect for the summer because y'all know it's my favorite. So, you know. And let's go ahead and spread it down. The curls will come right back for you. So we love that. Really pretty, really easy. And this unit does not have the drawstring. It's just the regular adjustable straps in this unit. But it does have that non-slip band in the back, which I really like. And those, I would say, really, really works with the non-slip band. So those work too. This is so cute. I like the way that they did that parting. See how they did that parting, like kind of going around like that? I thought that that was really cute. So that's why I kept it. And of course we love the density on the unit. It looks really, really full, but it's not heavy. So we love that. How pretty. So cute. I love it so much. Did I get, because I always forget to brush it out in the back. And then when I'm doing the video, I'm like, oh, I ain't combing the curls out. Okay. So this is what it looks like in the back. And this is where it falls on me. Super pretty. Perfect for spring, summer. Yeah, I'm crushing on this unit. Like, I think it's so cute. Is it the color? Is it the part on the side? What is it? Is it just my cuteness? Like, what is it? It's cute. I love it so much. Super cute. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.